Hey guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily set a sleep timer on your Samsung TV. So what you want to do is when you go to the settings here, you want to click on the settings, and then you're gonna have the picture, the sound, the broadcasting, the general, the support, and you want to simply go on the general, and here you're gonna have the system manager, network. So you want to jump to the system manager and then to time, and then you get the sleep timer right here. And you want to click on the sleep timer, and you can have it to 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 120, 180, or you can have off timer, and you can turn it on. So that's pretty much it how you can do it. If you're gonna have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.